Sure. So we can offer to face our equity challenges, we need to make sure we have wraparound support for all in our community. We recognize that everyone doesn't have the same starting field, everyone doesn't have the same access to basic resources, and the starting point is making sure people have access to those resources. We need to make sure that people have access to safe and quality housing. In our city, there's a lot of people who fall on the radar who are either housing insecure or are often faced with staying in substandard housing, which is a critical problem in our community. As we continue to grow, we need to make sure that we have clean water for our residents and think about where those water sources are going to come from, and also ensuring that we are just allowing people to lean into space. And we need to make sure that everyone has a well-paying job to actually, that's why our crisis in housing is a result of people not having jobs that can provide a sustainable living for them. So we need to make sure we bridge that gap. And so I think that we can do that by ensuring that we have a wraparound system, because all of these issues are interconnected. And it's important that we ensure that everyone who works 40 hours or works a full-time job, they receive a salary or pay that allows them to live comfortably in Durham, to make sure they actually have housing where it doesn't present any mold or any issues that's going to compromise their health. And also make sure that we have a transportation infrastructure for people. As we think about explore like cleaner emission standards, we need to make sure that our current transit model will expand to those areas where people may not have cars and rely on a bus service to get to and from work. We should ensure that they don't have to spend a significant portion of their day on top of working an 8-hour work shift. It should be important that people don't have to spend like 4 hours just in traveling across the city of Durham. So I believe that we can address these issues by being more supportive, being innovative, but also centering the needs of people who face these challenges as well.